We have a rainy early morning here. We are 7:20 in Medjugorje. Look, there is Cross Mountain in clouds and rain. Then we have St. James Church in the middle. And I hope it will clear up again. But now, right now, rain in Medjugorje in the morning. Early morning, 7:20. As you can see, all in clouds. But there's already sun or clear sky, and I hope it will come back. You see, that's life. Sometimes we have clouds, sometimes we have rain, sometimes we have sun, but for sure the sun is coming back again here in Medjugorje. After this day there should be 3-4 days sun, around 20 degrees Celsius, high temperatures. But today there's still a little rain, a mixture as typical April weather here. Can be raining and cool and then sunny with 20 degrees Celsius. And you can see again there are the towers of St. James Church. Cross Mountain over there, the biggest one is Cross Mountain. We have Cross Mountain in the rain. But you feel the peace, no? It's a very peaceful morning again here in Medjugorje. Just wonderful. And the sun or the clearer sky in the back already again. So it's fresh now. But lovely. Even in the rain, Medjugorje is beautiful. So when you come here now, take all the rain clothes. Yeah. Still changing. Rain, sunny days, rainy days. And please pray for me as I pray for you here in Medjugorje. God bless you all. And there in the middle again is St. James Church. And in the back on the left you have Apparition Hill here in Medjugorje. God bless you all. Have a beautiful, joyful day wherever you are.